everybody, this is the Ajanta viewpoint. And there where you see, that is the cave. If you can see that, there is a waterfall. And if you see that, there's a bridge. And if you see closely over there, there will be a lake. There will be a lake. And there's some kind of factory there. So you just stop here and you take those steps. Like if you can see, there are steps there. So instead of going to get the bus, you just need to get the viewpoint, and just that there'll be the steps, and you just go down and you reach none other than the Ajanta. So at the next video, I think I will, what do you say? Record inside Ajanta if I could, but yeah. I am hearing some kind of peacock, so I think there are peacocks nearby. Okay, bye.